Hey guys, this is the fourth video, and today I'm showcasing some of the progress. It's been a little while, but they've been able to put up some outlet boxes, and you can see that it's also been sprayed around as well. And most recently they added HVAC, but at least they started it, as you can see. And then up here as well. Oh, and I think the last video, there wasn't a roof at all, just the rafters. So they finished this shingling in the past couple weeks. You can see that they're all covered, obviously, because the floor isn't on yet. Into the kitchen, you can see that the window has finally been lowered, which is something I was complaining about. Also, there's a vent in the middle of the room for the island, of course. And coming over here, you can see the outlets, and that's here. Looking outside, it looks like they filled in just a little bit more. Doesn't look as low, but you can see how far it goes down, unfortunately. Not a whole lot to show because everything has pretty much been seen. Seem to be waiting on quite a few things this year, of course. See, this is where the TV is going to be mounted in here. That's why the outlet's up there. Ventilation for the bathroom. I believe this little wall here is new as well since the last video. This is to separate the tub and the shower. And this wall is probably to just bring it in, not quite sure. In here we have the laundry room, and we have the dryer vent. And over there you can see they've been doing a lot of work. Some up here too, although that doesn't look like it's going anywhere at the moment. I'll go downstairs as well, just to show you. They're moving quickly for some things, but not for everything. I expected a little bit better turnaround if I found any issues. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed.